In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can physically move a container like this or a VM from one Proxmox node to another Proxmox node by physical means, not by replication, but like you'll get a copy of this VM or let's say a container, and then you can physically, let's say you can copy it in a pendrive or you can use SCP. The methods are endless once you have a copy of the node which you are looking for. I'm so sorry, not the node, the container or a VM. So for that, first I'll demonstrate for a container and then we'll look for the VM. So for that, we need to use vzdump, then the container ID, that is in this case I want to take 105. Okay, after that, we have to give a storage, whatever storage you want. Now in this case I only have local, so I'll use that. You might have various storage if you have mapped the network drives or if you are still using local LVM. It's up to you. So I'll just give local, and we have to give compression uh, ZSTT. Okay, so it will give us a ZST file and just run the command. Okay, I made a typo, I guess. Yeah, sorry, that is not compression, it is compress. I'm so sorry. Right. After some time, I'll just cancel this because I already have a backup for the same. But like after this process completes, you will get a backup of this container or a VM, let's say, in the var lib vz dump folder. You can do ls here, and it'll get log, and this ZST file, this is the most important file. If I do ls-lh, you see this is like 5.4 GB. This contains the the data stored on the container also, and the configurations, all what we have done while setting up. This file will contain everything. Now it is up to you how you want to copy it. You can like put a pen drive, you can do SCP. There are endless possibilities. I'll now in this video I'll show both SCP also and pen drive also. So yeah, stay with me. For now, I'll show you the SCP method. Uh, at the moment, I don't have access to some kind of USB storage that I can plug in into my Proxmox node and copy it. But you can simply find some other video sources that like how you can mount USB storage on Proxmox and uh, get going. Actually, the problem is all my USB flash drives are formatted in NTFS, and I guess to my best knowledge, I understand that Proxmox doesn't support NTFS, and I just don't want to reformat my flash drives for this thing. So I'll show you the SCP method, which basically works on SSH. And one thing I forgot to tell you, this command that we used, vzdump, this works for both container also and virtual machine also. And I'm so sorry for the mistake that I've done. Like while speaking, I entered compression, but like it is actually compressed. So I'll show you how you can like get this file onto your own PC. So just open any directory on which you want to copy the files. In the top bar, type cmd. Command prompt window will appear here. Now, uh, what we have to do? We have to do SCP. SSH server is running on Proxmox itself, so we have to put put this command there, scp root your proxmox id ip colon this directory. If I do, yeah, right, and the file that you want to copy, we have to copy this zst file. So sorry, that's the reason I did right click and did a copy. If you find hard to follow this command, you can also use GUI based SCP tools like WinSCP. This is the link you can see. Just put it on Google and you can like get it. Yeah, and we have to copy it here only. So I'll just do enter. Okay, I want to copy it here. Uh, okay, I guess the IP is messed up. It is not 84, it is 8.4. Yes, password, you have to put the password. Done. It will take time, it is like 5 GB. So I'll just pause it here and I'll we'll go on to the next Proxmox installation itself. Like after this, I'll show you how you can restore it again. Now we are on a fresh install of our Proxmox. We have the backup file already copied in the previous part. This is a clean fresh install on a new SSD, but this system is exactly the same. Okay, now we have to restore the copied container back, and hence it will be operational once again. So just go on shell. As this is a clean install, we'll just have to verify if the dump folder exists. So we'll just do cd var lib vc dump. Yes, it does exist and it is empty. So we'll move the copied this file to the dump folder. We'll open a terminal here, right? We have to do scp what this file name is, right? Where do we have to copy it? Where we have to copy it at root our Proxmox IP address 76.8.4 it is on this path. Copy it, give a colon and paste it. We are done, we are good to go. Okay, yes, we did change our host, right? Give me a second. We'll just clear it real quick. Here it is, where it is in users. This is my user. Here, we have to delete these files. Uh, there is a much more cleaner way to do this, but I don't care about the known hosts on this machine. Now we do yes, we put a password here and let it get copied. I'll return back once it has been copied. Okay, now we have restored it successfully. Now there is just one difference here. For containers, you have to use PCT. For this VMs, you have to use QM restore, right? Now we are just looking for a container. Exactly, the command is exactly the same. Only what like thing we are using for container we are using PCT, but for VM we are using QM restore. So now we see I'm so sorry, there was some disturbance here. Yeah. PCT restore uh, new container ID, CT ID, whatever you might like to call. I am going to stick with the old one, that was 105, and we are currently in this directory only. So what we'll do is we will okay, yeah, vz term. We'll just press a tab because this is only this is the only file in this directory, right? So I'll just show you. I'll do ls. This is only one file. So what I will do, pct restore new VM ID, sorry, CT ID, and just a tab. Okay, I was not expecting this. Only this thing you need, right? And just press enter. It will start the restoration part. You'll see, okay, a container has been created here. Okay, what is the problem? Let us see again what just happened. Okay, I'm trying it once again. This should not happen. I don't know why it did happen, but this was not expected. Okay, let us just see this. Just wait. I guess we exited from the shell. That's the reason it like crashed or something. Uh, I'll just pause the video for now. You'll see CT105 that is there. It is showing, but it is locked. Okay, some kind of process is happening over here. Even though it is showing some error, it is still showing locked. I ran this command with other CT ID, uh, this one 106, and it is going. Yes, yes, done. Okay, there was some kind of issue for the first one. It shouldn't have happened, but now yes, we have the CT restored again. We have its name connected. Unfortunately, I don't have the login credentials, but like everything seems good. Let's see the network. Yes, the MAC address is also there. So this is how we restore containers. Again, I'm repeating for virtual machines. The command is qm restore. Sorry, the like what we can say, that is actually qm restore is actually a binary. The binary which we are using to restore a VM, that is qm restore. The binary for restoring the CT is PCT. So thank you for your time. I hope this helped. Thanks once again.